Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss next 50 MCQs for PPSC preparation. So the first MCQ is Sahibzada Abdul Qayyum from 1863 to 1937 had rendered great services for educational uplift of Muslims of Punjab, Sindh, NWFP or Balochistan. So the answer is NWFP, but now this name is changed to KPK. But at that time this is known as NWFP. The second MCQ is the Central Mohammedan Association was founded in 1877 by. So someone is thinking that Sir Syed Ahmad Khan has founded this association, but that's not correct answer. The correct answer is option C, Sayyid Amir Ali. And the next MCQ is third MCQ. Under which act the Muslim demand of separate electorate was first concerned by the British government? So the A option is the Indian Act 1892, B the Indian Act 1909. So this is the B option is the correct option, the Indian Council Act 1909. The next MCQ is the Constitution of All India Muslim League was drafted by a committee in 1907 headed by. So this Constitution of All India Muslim League was headed by Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. Everyone knows this, right? The next MCQ is which of the following amendments were proposed by Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah in the Narrow Report 1928 to make it acceptable to the Indian Muslims? So the option A is the Muslims should be given 1/3 representation of central legislature. B option, for the 10 years of the Muslims should be represented in the Punjab and Bengal according to their population. Yes, it is correct. C option, residuary powers should be given to the provinces. This is also right. So all the options are correct here. The next MCQ is Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar had started publishing his famous English newspaper Comrade in 1911 from. So this newspaper is started from Calcutta in 1911. Right. Here you can see the Comrade was a weekly English language newspaper launched by Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar from Calcutta, shifted to Delhi, the newly announced capital of the Raj, in 1912, where the first issue of the Delhi edition appeared on October 12. The next MCQ is what was the significance of 21st annual session of All India Muslim League? So in this session, Allama Iqbal delivered Allahabad address. The 8th MCQ is which of the following leaders helped Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah in the preparation of his 14 points 1928? So Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar helped Quaid-e-Azam in this preparation. The 9th MCQ is under Gandhi-Lodwin Pact of 5th March 1931, it was decided that the system by diarchy was be abolished. B option, the system of separate electorates will be retained for the Muslims. Congress will represent the low caste Hindus in the elected bodies. The option D is the correct option. The Congress will call off its civil disobedience movement. The next MCQ, the Government of India Act 1935 divided the country into 7 provinces, 9 provinces, 11 provinces or 13 provinces. So the option A is correct option C is the correct option, means 11 provinces. Question 11. In the provincial elections of 1937, All India Muslim League won largest number of seats in UP. So Muslim League almost won many seats in United Provinces. MCQ 12. The Indian Muslim observed Day of Deliverance after the resignation of Congress ministries on 22 December 1939. Question 13. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali was first used the word Pakistan in his pamphlet Now or Never in 1933. When did Quaid-e-Azam utter that Hindu India and Muslim India partied forever? Option B is the correct option. when Congress rejected his proposed modification in Nehru Report 1928. MCQ 15 by Satyagraha, Gandhi appealed for civil disobedience. 16. Lahore Resolution of 23rd March 1940 was seconded from Sindh province by Abdullah Haroon. 17 MCQs. Congress launched Quit India movement against the British government in 1942. Question 18. Who presided over this Simla conference in 1945? So the correct option is option B, Lord Wavell. Question 19. In the interim government of 1946, the Minister of Health was Ghazanfar Ali Khan. Question 20. After Sir Aga Khan, the next president of All India Muslim League was Nada Sahib of Mahmudabad. Question 21. The Hindus has launched Swadeshi movement to boycott English made goods in the wake of Urdu-Hindi controversy, partition of Bengal in 1905, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy in 1919, all of above. So the option B is the correct, partition of Bengal 1905. Question 22. The Pirpur report on the brutalities of the Congress minister 1937 to 1939 was compiled by Raja Muhammad Mehdi. Question 23. The British Parliament passed Indian Independence Act on 14 July 1947 is the correct option. Which of the following leaders had translated the Lahore Resolution from English to Urdu on 23rd March 1940? So that man is Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. Question 25. Which of the following archaeological sites was discovered in 1955? So this archaeology site is called DG. Question 26. Which of the following glaciers is located in Karakoram range? Siachen, yes. Hispar, yes. Bihafu, yes. So all of the above options are correct. Which are the glaciers located in Karakoram range? Question 27. The Babasar Pass connects Abbottabad and Gilgit, Chitral and Gilgit, Gilgit and Hunsa, Swat and Dir. So the option A is correct, Abbottabad and Gilgit. But you should have to know what option B, C and D passes connects. Chitral and Gilgit Pass is known as Shandur Pass, and Gilgit and Hunza Pass is known by Khujrat Pass. Swat and Dir Pass is known by Badagoi Pass. Question 28. Which of the following fort was built by Mughal Emperor Zahiduddin Babur in the 16th century AD? So it is the Bala Hisar fort, which is in Peshawar. But you should have knowledge about who built Rohtas fort, who built Ranikot fort and who built Attak fort. So Rohtas fort is made by Sher Shah Suri in 1541. The Ranikot fort in Hyderabad is built by Mir Khurram Ali Khan. And Attak fort is built by Mughal Emperor Akbar in 1581 to support his own wars in Afghanistan. Question 29. Which of the following districts of Balochistan contain huge deposits of copper? So this is Chagi, you know, it has a lot of copper. Question 30. Pakistan's first nuclear power plant was set up at Karachi in 1974 with the aid of Canada. 31st. The only national elections held on non-party basis were in 1985. Question 32. Who is considered the first poet of Punjabi language? So he is Baba Farid Khan Shakar Rahmatullah Alayh. 33 MCQs. Karakoram Highway in Pakistan is off. So from this information you have to tell how much is the length of MM Highway, MM Road and GT Road. So these are all the information you have to conclude for this PPSC exam. So 805 km is the Karakoram Highway length. Question 34. Chandpur Mosque tragedy has taken place in 1913. Question 35. Mustaqli was prominent poet of, so he is a prominent poet of Blochi. Question 36. Which of the following dams is situated at the highest altitude? So this is Wali Tangi Dam. Question 37. Archaeological site Bhambori is located in the district of Hairpur, Dadu, Ladkana, Thatta. So this archaeology site is in Thatta. Question 38. Hazrat Bahuddin Zakaria was prominent Sufi saint of. So he is the Sufi saint of Sohrawardi order. On July 9, 1950, Pakistan became the member of IMF, World Bank, Paris Club. So you have to know when Pakistan joined IMF, World Bank and Paris Club. From this information you can see when Pakistan joined IMF and World Bank. According to the official websites of IMF and World Bank, Pakistan joined International Monetary Fund and World Bank on July 11, 1950. So you can read all this information in this video to get more information about this MCQ. Question 40. Decimal system was introduced in Pakistan on 1st January 1961. Question 41. Which of the first missile launched by Pakistan? That missile was Hataf. Question 42. On July 9, 1948, Pakistan issued its first coin, currency note, postal stamp, all of above. So here option postal stamp is correct. 43. Pakistan Aeronautical Complex at Kamra was completed with the financial and technical assistance of USA, Canada, France, none above. It is the technical assistant of China. So you can see don't see option China, so none of the above is the correct answer. Question 44. The largest desert of Pakistan is Thar, Question 45. The oldest barrage on Indus River is Shakkar Barrage. So you have to know Guddu Barrage, Ghulam Muhammad Barrage and Tosa Barrage. You have to search about this on Google. Question 46. Pakistan joined World Trade Organization WTO in 1995. Question 47. The first princely state to accede the Pakistan after partition was Bahawalpur. It is very important and very common MCQ. Question 48. The national animal of Pakistan is Markhor. Question 49. The federally administrated tribal areas FATA consist of 5 agencies, 6 agencies, 7 agencies, 8, 7 agencies.